Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute.
So what's up guys, in this video I am going to show you how to get lost streaks back on Snapchat. Now go on to your Snapchat account, click on profile, and on the upper right portion just click on settings. And after you click on settings, it will take you to this page and just browse down, and you just gotta find the I need help. So you just need to click on it, I need help option. Okay, there is it, I need help. And after that one, you just need to type down what help do you need. So we will type down here Snapchat's streaks. So you just need to type down what kind of help do you need. So in here we type down Snap streaks and tap on search. So you just wait and then it will show you some options. You choose an option. So here we choose I lost my Snap streak, how do I restore it? So after that one, you click the go here, the blue here word, and then it will bring you to this page. So you just need to wait for a couple of seconds, and there, I lost my Snap streaks, tap on it. How do I restore it? Tap on it, and make sure that you fill in all the necessary informations needed, and then just click on this. Did you see the icon hourglass? So you just need to tap no in it. So just toggle down that arrow and then click on no. After that one, you need to submit. You just have to complete this verification process and wait for the Snapchat support to respond.
Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.